So our summer research experience is a chance for students to engage in a dedicated summer research experience with faculty mentors. It's a 5-week program. Students engage in research for roughly a full-time commitment every week, so it's a really deep dive into research experience. This is sort of the backbone of our understanding of the human biology, and so this, I think, will help students be able to think through problems in a scientific manner and really come to understand how knowledge is generated. They can engage in research further, and then that can often and has resulted in our students giving presentations at national conferences and our students winning awards at national conferences, which is based on the research that they did here under the mentorship of a Burrell faculty member. In the fall coming up, we're going to be occupying a new space here that's going to be much closer and will enable more students and more faculty to engage in research, and hopefully will foster just a continued growth in our research enterprise.